When you take out the facial bed, make sure it's on a flat surface. Take off all the screws on the top piece. How would you know this is top piece? It has a hole right here. Take out those two screws. Make sure it's assembled like this. The smaller piece on the bottom and the bigger piece on top. Now you stick in the white plate and screw it back together. Put in the white plate and screw it back in together. Just make sure you don't over tighten the screws or it will get stripped. Once it's tight, like as you see now it's tight, give it another turn until it's snug, and that's about it. Do not over tighten the bolts. Start off by taking off all the screws, 6 screws that's on the bottom of the bed. Make sure you line up this frame and the holes together. Smaller hole towards the outside of the bed, the bigger hole towards the inside of the bed. So the next step is to take this long pole that you have here, unscrew this on both ends, and then make sure it attaches onto the hole on the inside. Next, you would want to screw it in on the outside, and using a Phillips screwdriver, put the pole into this plate right here, and again do the same thing. Make sure this is tight. After that is done, screw in the legs Please do not use the drill, as we are professional, so we can stop it at a range. You do not want to over tighten the screws. So once it's snug, that's all you need to turn. Do not over tighten them, as it could strip. For the paper rack, you will have 2 poles. One of them is the short one, one of them is the long one. Take out the screws. Take out one of the screws in the middle. Take off the screw that was right here. The short rod goes on the bottom of the leg. Put the screw back in. And make sure that bolt is tight. Again, there's no need to over tighten. The next step is to put back in the screw. And make sure it's tight. Next step is the long rod. that's gonna go through. So through the hole. Put the paper rod holder, slide it in through both the holes, and retighten the screw. Then you want to flip the bed back down. It's better to do it with 2 people. And the last thing you need to do is put the last screw back into this hole and tighten it. And it's done. For these holes, you just pop in the armrest